What is going on, everyone? Today we are back with another Microsoft Flight Sim video. We're going to be taking this all Nippon Airways, the inspiration of Japan, 777-300ER from London Heathrow to Tokyo Haneda. We have a scheduled flight time for about 14 hours and 30 minutes, so yeah, we have a long time here. And we're going to be taking these massive G90 engines as well with us. And we're also going to be flying over Greenland. But enough of that, we're going to go and jump onto this jet and we're going to make this flight happen. And I'll see you guys then.
Got something in common, the world treats you different. We ain't booted up on Miley, we don't do shrooms. All we do is pass gas, loud as kills. Twin turbo 911, make it boom boom. We in all black, my mechanic make the tool move.
Alright, as we push back, we're going to start engine number 1, and then engine number 2 is going to follow in right after that. Alright, both engines have started successfully, and yeah, we have a heavy payload here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and test our flight controls to make sure this aircraft is good for flying, and then we are free to make our way over to Tokyo. Tokyo is kind of cloudy. It's a little foggy a little bit, but we'll be just fine. At least we're not going to be abused by any thunderstorms. I mean, we are kind of entering spring, so you'd be expecting some, but not today, at least. Just clouds. And we also have to use flaps 20, and this is a rare occurrence. You gotta use flaps 20 for takeoff. So, I mean, let's hope all goes well. And I did have to calculate the takeoff performance in SimBrief, and yeah, so that's why I didn't have my takeoff speeds, but I got them. We're good, and well, there's not much else to say here. We are ready to set off. Are you guys ready for this 14.5-hour trip? Because let me tell y'all, I'm ready to fly over Greenland. This is gonna be amazing. You know, the reason I like flying over is because like the snowy mountains, especially like during sunset or sunrises or during the nighttime with clear skies, man, it's like the best time to fly over Greenland. But we're being treated by a pretty cool sunset here though. Yeah, it looks like London knows how to do it for real.
Airspeed's alive. Knots.
V1.
Rotate. Positive rate of climb.
It is about that time to make our way into Tokyo. We're gonna descend down to 15,000, then 8,000, and then I believe it's a 2,000, 8,000, 4,000, then 2,000, I believe. So yeah, same approach as always. Performance tool. Wait, no, wrong one. Okay, here we go. We're gonna be landing on 16 left today. Because okay, so 16 left and 16 right, and I think the other side as well. They're like the only runways that are not glitched. The only runways that are not glitched. Because I know the one on the bridge, man. That one's, I don't know what's going on with that one. That one's on drugs or something. Because you seen the Airways video that I did, Bangkok to Tokyo Haneda. You'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, we got that ready. Well, we got that done. So now we just enjoy this little this descent. I'm gonna take control of the throttles as well, so I can kind of manage. Okay, looks like the plane is not letting me go to idle. Maybe it's a safety feature. I mean, I don't know. I mean, if it is, then that's cool. They're trying to ensure safety. I guess that's Boeing priority here. So yeah, as we do approach into Tokyo, you'll see what I'm talking about, because there is some clouds everywhere. So be prepared for that. We are now on our final turn, and man, this is gonna be pretty cool. See, this approach I do love, especially during the night, because like the city's amazing. I mean, yeah, it's not that good as, you know, PC, but I mean, you still get a good view. Which, I mean, hey, it's I guess it's better. It's better than having no view.
500. 400.
Glide slow. Glide slow.
300.
Glide slow.
200.
Sink rate. Sink rate.
100. 60. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Okay, welcome to Tokyo. And you know, one thing I noticed about Tokyo, and this I noticed it for like a long time, it's always foggy, it's always cloudy, and I don't know why. But I guess that's just the unique thing about Tokyo. It's like that in real life. I've seen videos, I've seen pictures, I've seen movies. It's very foggy. Not very, but it's foggy. But I don't know why that is. But I want to thank you guys for joining me on a 14-hour trip to Tokyo. We'll be doing another one like this. And actually, while I was programming the route, and oh my gosh, I had like 7 tons left. Oh my god! But as I was programming the route, I'm surprised I wasn't able to fly over Russia. Maybe because that's a real life thing. There's probably some restrictions because there's not many flights that fly over Russia. Maybe very few, but yeah, barely any. Alright, we are now at the gate. You know, I actually thought about buying the airport, but I was like, I don't really think there's no need. I mean, it looks good. I don't really think there's no need. But other than that, I want to thank you guys for joining me on this trip. I will, like I said, I'll do another one like this. Just let me know what flight y'all want me to do, man. Let me know, and I'll do it. I will begin the 737 soon, so just wait for that. And that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.